Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Daisy. Today I have a super exciting project for you. I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful custom wall clock using the xTool M1 laser engraver machine. We're going to be working with the design, engraving, cutting, and assembling the beautiful clock. And the best part is that I have a free template for you as well. This beautiful wall clock is perfect for personal use or for a special gift. I'm going to start with the tutorial, but before I would like to thank you for visiting and for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't done so yet, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any tutorials and we can continue creating together. Now let's get started. And for this project, we will need a laser cutting and engraving machine. You can use any model. I will be using my xTool M1 laser engraver machine. I will also be using the xTool DIY clock kit. This kit comes with all the necessary accessories to create 2 wall clocks. And we're going to move to the computer to start working with the design that we're going to be cutting to elaborate a beautiful wall clock. But first, I'm going to place the material on the working area. For this cut, we're going to be using the triangular prisms. Open the xTool Creative Space program, and here we're going to insert the template. We could use any of the templates that xTool Creative Space offers, create our own template, or upload a template that we have downloaded from any other site. If you decide to use one of their templates, click on Design Find, type clock, and there you're going to see the list of templates to create clocks. Select the one of your liking, and here you can either click on download or open in xTool Creative Space. I'm going to open in xTool Creative Space. I think this option is easier. And the template is already on the canvas. Now you just need to resize it and create your cut. Now if you wish to insert a template, click on the image icon, select the folder where you have your design or template, and open it. It's telling you that the image is too large to be displayed on the canvas, but we're going to select No, display it in the original size. And here we have the template. If you like this free template, you can download it from my blog. I'm going to link it in the video description down below. I'm going to resize the canvas so you can see the template. Select it, right-click and ungroup. It comes in 4 layers. It's going to be cut in several parts. We're going to select the parameters. For example, this one that I have on the working area is going to be a cut. I'm going to select the layer and click on cut. This other layer with the petal is going to be cut. The purple lines are going to be scored. So we're going to select scored. Now the text is going to be engraved. So we're going to select engrave. And we're going to do the same with the rest of the layers. The purple lines are going to be scored only. Now we're going to set the material that we're going to be using for each layer. So we're going to select this one, and this one is going to be cut on 3mm plywood. Click on the top right corner to select the material. For this one, we're going to select 3mm basswood and confirm. For the flower or the petals, I'm going to select 3mm frosted black acrylic. And for this other layer, I'm going to select 3mm black walnut plywood. And I'm going to do the same with the last layer. Now we already set the parameters. What I like about the xTool M1 machine is that it gives you the parameters for each material that you're going to cut or engrave. For example, the layer that is going to cut on acrylic is telling you that it's going to cut it at 100% power, 2 speed, and 1 pass. Now all these layers are ready to be cut and engraved. So we're going to start with this circle. Make sure you select triangular prism for this cut. Next, go to process and let's go to the machine. For this cut, I am using my xTool M1 laser engraver machine. The first cut is ready. Now we're going to move to the next one. This layer's been cut, so I'm going to move it and I'm going to place the next layer on the working area. This one is going to be engraving, cut, and scoring. Process, start, and let's go to the machine. Second layer already engraved and cut and also scored. Now we're going to move to the third layer. We're going to do the same as we did with the first two layers. Third layer is ready. Remember, if you would like to use this design or this template, you may download it from my blog. I'm going to link it in the video description down below. Now we're going to cut the petals using black acrylic. I'm going to change the color of the layer to blue so we can see it on the working area. And here we have the last layer. These ones are the poinsettia petals and leaves. Now that we already cut all the layers, we're going to go ahead and assemble the clock. And we're going to use these accessories. These ones come in the xTool DIY kit. This kit comes with all the necessary accessories to create 2 wall clocks. I'm going to link it in the video description below. and the clock is already assembled. I'm going to place a battery to see how it works. And here it is. It's beautiful, isn't it? And it works. Remember, if you would like to use this free template, visit my blog. I'm going to link it in the video description down below. Also there, you're going to find the links of all the supplies used in this tutorial. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. I hope you enjoy it and feel inspired to create your own project. And please don't forget to support this channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell.